Boss ko naman to. Kailangan ba katabi talaga yung boss? Ba't kayo ng tawa? Hindi lang kayo.
Sir Ogie, kilala po ata nila si ate kasi, kaya...
Kilala niyo. 36 years married po lang po kami ng
Wow!
That's very good.
Grabe naman.
What's the secret for the long-lasting marriage? Sweet. What else? Chinese food. Chinese food. What else? What else? Secret. So that I will last also and Angeline will last with her husband. How is that? What's the secret? Give money to the wife. Thank you.
That's all.
Ha? Prime credit? Siya pa yung boss? Yung boss pala natin. Nilaloko ko yung boss. Hello, you're the boss. I'm so sorry. I thought, you're the boss? You're the boss?
Si ate ang boss, Sir Ogie.
You're the boss pala. Bayad na ba tayo dito? Ha?
Friendship!
Friendship? Di bago tayong kaibigan? Diyos ko.
Friend, talaga ito.
Grabe naman to.
Kalaro ko yun dati sa chess.
Ay, gano'n? Dapat pinapanalo mo yan lagi.
Palagi siyang panalo sa car wash. Doon kami lagi sa chess.
Grabe. Niloko ko pa niya Venus ka. Sino naman to? Ha? Asawa ni Congressman? Sino po? Sino po? So, Consul General? Pambihira naman. Wife of the Consul General. Ano ko pasensya na po kayo. Ano mo, wala talaga akong respeto sa mga. Kayo po pala asawa ng Consul General. Asa po si Consul General? Nasa work.
Buti naman.
Mabuti naman. Baka naman ayaw lang niya manood sa akin. Ayaw. Kayo po representative. Thank you very much
Yes.
for coming over and paying us. You know, if you have this again next year, you get us again.
Yes.
Again
Sir
and
Ogie,
again and again.
better you give him our cell phone number.
Yes, it's 0918.
Yes.
I love Prime Credit. It's the best.
Yes.
Wow.
Prime Credit, we love you guys.
We love you. We love you. Do you love Prime Credit?
Yes!
Lahat ba kayo nagpa-Prime Credit?
Yes!
Yeah. Maybe you need endorser. You want endorser? I will. I give you my number. Alright. Maraming salamat sa Prime Credit. Ayan. Yaman din lamang ito'y para sa Prime Credit. At lagi nilang ipinapangako ang